Passport 2910 bunkhouse here at Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan. Second time we've seen this camper. First time was when the original owners traded it in to go to something bigger, and second time here is when the second owners decided that they were done with the family camping. That's the only reason this is here. This has been extremely well kept. The outside still looks fantastic, and it's because of this big cover out here. It's been kept under a cover when not in use the last couple years, and it's been part kept, not towed, so this thing doesn't have a bunch of towing stress on the chassis. We are selling this for some folks here on consignment, which by the way we can do for you as well. They've been long time Haylett customers. Bought vehicles here, obviously campers, done service work here, which we're doing right now. You'll see a couple jugs of antifreeze in it because we're actually winterizing it here before we list it at the time of this filming. Basically, they love camping, but the kids are growing up and they're just not camping as much. So mom and dad are kind of offloading the bunkhouse, and they're making plans to find the family camper, or pardon me, the couples camper that works best for them. Now, we're a Passport dealer. I like this brand because we just don't have to work on them. They're just not a service nightmare brand. Really nice when you get your hands on a nicely kept used one like this too. Now, again, they're just done camping right now, so you're gonna see some extras and odds and ends in it. Like, again, you got that cover, you got the whole like canopy screen room in here. There's some other things inside. Those things go with it. What you see is what you get. So when you come to take a look at it, if there's cups in the cupboards, they're yours. You don't like them, throw them away. Nobody cares. Enclosed heated underbelly, so good for those spring fall cold snaps, good extended season camping. Only 5,360 pounds, so easily half-ton towable. And speaking of towing, even though they didn't tow this one, it is perfect for towing with the wide stance stability axle system we have down here. That helps for load equalizing. Basically, it helps keep the camper from rocking back and forth and kind of bouncing around behind the vehicle. It just tracks better at higher speeds as well. Our trailer delivery drivers from the factories talk about those things and like them. Handy little outside shower here so you can hose the turtle muck and slime off the kids. There's storage below the lower bunk on this side, and you'll see a nice little bunkhouse storage garage over here, right next to your big power awning. That's handy too. Push one button, get some shade. So when you're at your campsite, you get all the bunk space in the world. When you need to load up some big cargo like some grills and stuff, you've got a strut-assisted bed lift right here, so you can flip this bed up out of the way, have a big compartment for, I don't know, bicycles, grills, folding chairs, stuff. You're also going to see a bunch of these things in here. Dryer sheets do the same thing mothballs do in a camper. Basically, that's keep critters away, but they don't leave your RV smell like mothballs. Instead, they smell like, hold on, like spring rain or something like that. They always have those fluff names. Spring rain camping. We are set up for an outside grill right here, and again, right below your power awning, right under the speakers, so you have a great little entertainment setup. Easy entry, bigger handle, and it's windy today, so this little door strut on here, which keeps the door from whipping open in the wind, is nice. I'm not sure if this was for little kids, because the previous owners at one point did have little one running around, or for dogs. I don't smell any dog scent, and I don't know that the previous owners had dogs. But these are nice so that the kids, they'll want to push on the screen door to open the door because they're shorter. Well, this keeps them from damaging that, plus it's kind of cosmetically appealing. Looks pretty good. Stepping inside, she continues to not disappoint. Again, very well kept. Central air, central heat, everything you need for your family. Big super slide for rainy day space. Cross breeze windows doing a heck of a job for you. I mean, the countertops, the tabletops, everything looks pretty good shape. The cabinetry really looks sharp too. Keystone's always done a pretty good job of that though. They've done very nice cabinet accents and things. There's good kitchen drawer space in here as well. It's kind of hidden away in an area that you may not expect to look for it. And again, you're going to see some random odds and ends in here because for the time being, they're just kind of done camping. I think mom and dad are going to take a season or two off. They're going to see, you know, really investigate the market to see what's new out there for them. And then they're going to go from there. They were not afraid to put the dryer sheets in here, that's for sure. That's fine. I'd rather have way too many dryer sheets than not enough and have a mouse nest. I'm not going to find that in here because this has been well kept. Bunch of little odds and ends laying around. Look at that. What I like to see, I actually like to see it when people used their campers before letting them go. Because that means that if something needed attention, they were in it. They took care of it. They didn't let it sit there, you know. This has not been left unattended to rot. And despite the fact that this was used with frequency, you're going to see that this has held up remarkably well. I don't see where the fabrics are shredded up. I don't see where things are frayed out. I mean, I'm not seeing scrapes on the cabinets. They had a bunch of kids running around in here, but obviously Mom and Dad made the kids mind their manners, and this stuff is not tore up. Centrally located, we have either a bonus closet for the kids with adjustable shelving. You can turn this into a pantry, a linen cabinet, little combination of anything thereof. Rear private bunkhouse, which is nice. And remember that this is just a easy up, easy down bunk right here that just folds right down. So, this is a true quad bunk, true 4 bunks, and they were not afraid to put the windows in here for some illumination. That is nice. 6 windows back here. Windows are not cheap in the RV business, guys, so that's a big thing. There are entertainment hookups back here for the kids, though it looks like Mom and Dad made these kids go camping and not sit inside and play Xbox. You know, big open storage compartment like this, and there is hanging, like rod or rack or whatever in there, but it looks like they use this more for shelf space. And you see, just like you saw in the kitchen, the drawers and a door kind of situation down here. Bathroom, simple but effective. Doesn't have to be fancy to just do the job. You know, you're not here to read a book. Obviously, you're here to get a job done and get on out, and looks like she'll get the job done. Quick view the other direction, and we'll head up to the entertainment area and bedroom. I do like that that's wide open down there too for a wastebasket. Now, TV can spin around to face the bedroom, and you see that all the original electronics and everything are still present and accounted for. And they're Jensen, which means that you can leave them in the camper when it's cold, and they're not going to like break. Basically, Jensen's made for RV use. It's a very solid product. The front bed here, something I've always liked about Passports, is it's a true 80-inch bed. A lot of people see the entertainment center come real close to the bed like this, and they go, oh, I don't like that. My feet are going to kick the wall. Unless you're super duper tall, you're going to have to be about 6'6" for that to be a problem, because this is a true 80-inch residential length bed, and you can see Mom and Dad threw some serious foam, some ventilated foam on top of that standard factory mattress there, so Mom and Dad were sleeping good too. This is a nice one, guys. I mean, like I said, you've got the full cover included with it. The exterior still looks fantastic because it wasn't baked in the sun. All in good working order. Everything checks out right. This is sharp. This is a nice find. If you've never had a camper and you want to get your family started, or if you just want to upgrade to something with a slide out, this is the ticket right here. So give us a call. 800-256-5196, Haylett RV of Coldwater, Michigan. Trades, pieces, parts, hitching, financing, trucks, delivery, package deals, everything. We only do everything, so give us a call and we'll get your family camping. Have a great one.